Following our previous class on the exercise of breaking down your character animal, where you ended up with a lovely clean sketch by the end, I'm now going to go over how light and depth can be added to your character. So on my canvas I have the basic shape language of a squirrel character. With each character you want to analyse the body parts of your animal into shapes. So the tail would be one shape, the body and head would be another shape, so this would be connected. The feet and leg would be another, and if we erase the overlap of the body so we can see that shape more clearly. And as you can see, we're looking for those basic shapes within the pose of a character and utilising that shape language technique that we'd learnt in our previous class. So now we have broken down our body animal parts into different shapes, we can look at them individually on how to light them. So let's look at the squirrel's tail to start off with. So when we think about being outside in nature, the one main light source that is always present is the sun. So the sun's rays would come down from the sky and light up this side of the tail shape. Looking at the shape now, the light is not hitting this side, so we want the shadows and darker tones to be added on this side. Now on the other side of the shape, this is where the sunlight is hitting, so we need to add our lighter tone colours here. If we now add in another body part shape of the squirrel, like the body and head, this will now alter where the light is hitting on the tail and the two shapes combined. So if we look at where the tail and body shape are now connected, we can see that the rays will not hit there, but would create a shadow between the two shapes. So now on the body and head shape, the light will be hitting here at the top, and the shadows will be at the bottom of the shape. With this technique of adding light and depth to all the shapes of the animal together, we can use this in our classes coming up when we get to the stage of adding texture, light and depth to our poses that we create. The key lesson to take away with you is to look at the individual different animal body parts as different shapes. If you do this, it makes it a lot easier to break down the process of lighting up your animals. In the next class, we're going to look at finding inspiration in reference photos.